got lots of salt. We got Colima salt, we got New Zealand salt, Celtic sea salt, that's one of my favorites. And we got Redmond real salt, which I really like.
Yo, hey, did you know that 20% of the population deals with constipation? There's been a 5.5% increase in the laxative market over the past 10 years. Your gut is where all your health is. Your vitality is in your gut. Your microbiome is actually sending all the neurochemicals to your brain. You see, your gut is called your second brain. And if you're constipated, sometimes high fiber foods don't do the trick. Sometimes superdosing on magnesium doesn't even do the trick. And I don't know if you've ever dealt with it, but I have a hack for you today, my friend. Have you heard of a saltwater flush? It's called a master cleanse for a reason. And I've done several of these throughout my life. They actually really work. It helps cleanse your colon and your digestive system with ease. Easier than probably most of the crazy things that you've done if you've been following me for any period of time. You know we've done some really weird woo stuff. Drinking a salt mixture in the morning ignites your body's own natural mechanism for natural detoxification. It's easy on the digestive system too, generally, and can help get you back on track to where you are, which is pooping on command, basically. I mean, the better your life is, the more you're pooping. I don't know if you've heard that quote before, but it's true. I saw it online, so it must be true. This flush is the most effective to do in the morning. Here's how you do it. 2 teaspoons of pure sea salt. Pink Himalayan salt's the best. Or any type of sea salt that doesn't have any heavy metals in it or microplastics. That's the big thing. I mean, these two things have insulted our salt. You like that one? Heat it up, bring it to a boil at warmer than room temp, essentially, when you drink it. So it's like a comforting tea or a beverage that you would normally drink on your own. I add a little lemon with it as well. And sometimes I even add a little cayenne pepper to it. And I know some people add molasses and other things to make the real master cleanse. But if you're just starting out, maybe start with salt and lemon. It's real easy. 2 ingredients. Things that have more than 2 ingredients sometimes are not really that beneficial for you. So the goal is drink this mixture as quickly as possible, or at least within 5 minutes. And then you lay down on your side, your digestive side, which will be the left because all flows to your left. And then you're gonna hold that for about maybe 30 minutes before you use the bathroom. And what this does is it kind of cleanses you from the inside out. When your colon is fully cleansed and empty, you'll feel better, you'll feel lighter. And all dis-ease starts in your colon, it starts in your gut. So it's important to take care of it. It's gonna help with your microbiome, your gut flora, and provide any essential nutrients as far as electrolytes go that could be compromised. The things we're eating today, my friend, are robbing our body of these precious minerals. You are a mineral body, and there's a concentration of minerals in all your blood. And you are a salt being. You have minerals, you have electrolytes, you're an electromagnetic being. When you drink this salt mixture, choose your deliverables, what you want to see happen, right? Because the placebo is 65% of everything. Write it down on a piece of paper and then check back in with your health log and let me know. Come back to this, leave a comment, and let me know how you're feeling. This community creates immunity. And the more plugged in we are to each other, the more we can help each other. I can tell you're an amazing human for watching this video and taking care of your health, because when you take care of you, you're taking care of all of humanity. Super powerful. The universe is in you. So I'm just a reflection of you. So now I'm gonna go. As the reflection of you, I am now leaving. But thanks for watching.